Okay, so I'll throw a caveat right away just before I get going on this, because you're looking at this chart, and if I have any welders, or if we have any welders here, they're going to be spitting dust at this slide. But however, so I just want to put it out there. This is an offshore welding norms. These timings that we've taken on this chart. So I appreciate for an onshore market, it will be different. But regardless to your welding norms, as Don just asked that question earlier, there's so many inputs to a hot work that quite often that are not forgotten about, because that's the wrong term, but you do is because that's what you have to do in order to do a hot work. But these are the processes that we're saying that we're going to take out of that pain that you have, whether it be an admin pain or whether it is just the physical achieving a hot work. So let's take the basics. Think about a hot work. What's involved? So from the cut to the preparation. So let's even break that down. So it's not just as simple as doing a cut. You actually have to do a cut and bevel the pipe. That's a specialist tool, specialist person, potentially. You've then got any pre-heat treatments. You've then got the weld itself. You've then got the stress relief potentially and NDT requirements. But what we never think about is the rework. So we never take into consideration as how much rework time do you put into a weld when you have a weld failure. Now I appreciate that, weld failures are maybe, I don't know what that percentage is, but any rework is lost time, it's lost money. And again, I mention this in all my presentations, and it's a bit of tongue in cheek again, but with a Quickflange tool, is a hydraulic tool that's operated with somebody at the end of a pump. We're not influenced by weather. We're not influenced by necessarily, conditions or the human factor. Of course, there is a human on the end of the tool, but a Quickflange tool doesn't have a bad day. It's consistent every single time it's installed, So as long as that technician takes that pump to that pressure, you have a consistent install every time.